All right, guys, let's look at the PX network. So as everything they are building and developing towards a listing, they are also upgrading and doing a lot of things. So in this video, we are quickly going to be looking at the KYC and how you can go about it. I've already made some videos how you can, because it is in stages. The KYC is in stages. We have done step 1 and step 2. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your step 3. So I'll be guiding you like that till we finish the KYC process, because it is a bit this project is giving out KYC that is a bit different from what we have always known in some projects. So now, before we go into that, if you are new into this project, or if you have not yet started, or if this is the first time you are hearing about this project, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section. All you need to do is go and click on it and then download the app and then start participating immediately. It's a project that I believe that it is actually also going to cook for the community. Now, coming to the project, you need to head over to this announcement page right here, and then you can see that they just made a post right here about 28 minutes ago, and this is what they said: app updates and profile verification started. The latest app update is now available, and profile verification KYC step 3 has started. So that is we are like I said, that is the step we are going to be doing in this video. So please update your app. That is the first thing you should do. Then go to the profile section and complete verification. Verify your email using OTP. Update username and email if needed. That one is optional. Profile verification is being rolled out country-wise, so if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it will be available soon. Stay active, keep mining, complete your KYC on time. It is always important that once the KYC has started, you should do your own KYC as soon as possible to avoid any stories that touches the heart. So to head over to the Google Play Store, and then you can see this is the PX network. Search for it, then you are going to see update. So click on that update, and then the purpose of updating is to make sure that we are on the latest version, and so that we can also have those features like they said in that announcement. So once you update it, you are going to see open, so you click on it. So it is going to take us to the app. So once it takes you to the app, they say we should come over here, and then you should locate profile, or you can come over to KYC. All should be the same. So you can see this one now. It was locked before, just like this one. Now there was a lock here, but you look at it, they have removed the lock. So this is the steps 3. I've done completed step 1, step 2 and step 3. For you to complete this one, you need 3 referrals. For you to complete this one, you need a mining streak of 5 days to be able to complete this one. Once you have completed this one will unlock. Once you have completed this one will unlock, just like it has done now. So as we have done this one, the next one to unlock will be this one. So let's go ahead, click on it, and then you are going to come over to this page. Now first of all, you can edit your username. So I'm going to edit it. You can see the token trackers. So that is the username. So now let's go to the country. Which country is it? So we can go ahead and select your own country. Make sure that you select your own country. So beautiful country, Nigeria is there, so we select it. So once you have selected it, you are going to have your email. What you need to do now is click on change email. So you can see, once you click on change email, you can see that identity of the email has been verified. So they want me to enter a second email address, and I'm going to enter it right here. So what you need to do is just go ahead and enter your email, and then go ahead and click on request verification. So now you can see OTP sent successfully. So an OTP has been sent to that email. So I will just look for the OTP once they have sent it to my email. So I will now come and paste it right here, and then click on verify. As you can see right here, verify like this. So you can see OTP verified successfully. So you can scroll down, then click on update profile. So you click on that and you wait. So you can see profile updated and step 3 completed. So that's it. You can see it has been also been tick marked here and written here completed. So that's how you can go ahead and complete the step 3 right now. So we are left with 3 steps, which is the phone number verification, social media verification, and selfie. This one is we are going to need your face. So that's it. So as soon as any of it opens, you see all of these ones are locked. So once they open, I'm going to be making more videos. So make sure that you go and do this, and then be mining. For those of you who have not yet started, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section. All you need to do is go ahead, hit on it, and then register and then start participating immediately. So thank you so much. And before I go, if you are new to my YouTube channel or if you are not yet subscribed, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you so much, guys. See you in my next video.